In this video, I'm going to be talking about my writing flashcards that are in development now that will go on sale 2025. Do you ever get writer's block? In this video, I will show you what you can do at home or what you can buy from me to help you beat writer's block. So when I have writer's block, I love to use flashcards or index cards to help me beat writer's block, right? So what it is as I've here, the examples are genre, character, settings, and twists. So when I go into it, I'm like, oh man, I don't know what I'm going to write. So I make little index cards and I put down, okay, character, what kind of character can I have? And what kind of setting and what kind of genre? And it helps me jumpstart my thinking process and get my imagination exploding. So my cards that are in development right now are going to be similar to this here. So when I have index cards, you're going to have 3 or 4 stacks of cards or flashcards, and they'll be there for you to shuffle and pick from. So here is genre. So genre, the outside of the card will have like a gun for action, comedy, face right there, romance, horror, or sci-fi. And then on the inside, when you flip it over, it'll tell you what genre you're going to be working with.
This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. All right, let's continue the video.
This will also jump into character. So here again are different characters that you can possibly have, like a vampire, a mermaid, superhero, a criminal, maybe just animals or law enforcement, whether that's a cop, DEA, or anything like that. Along with genre and character, you want to have settings, right? You want to know where your story is going to take place. So here we have a museum, a bank, a prison, a desert, space, or the ocean, whether it's underwater or it could be on a boat. And then when you're looking at twists can be an optional card that you can make, or if you end up buying it from me later on, I'll already have cards with different twists in it. Normally, I don't use the cards because the story, while you're writing it, will present an opportunity to have one or not to have one, because you don't want it to feel forced or pushed, and the audience is going to realize like, oh, they're just trying hard to make this happen.
Hello there. So I have 2 kids books out of my 4 kids book series, self-published on Amazon. If you want to check them out, the link will be in the description below. And if you have Kindle Unlimited, you get these books for free.
So once again, I am having these cards in development. If you want to make your own cards, what you can do is you don't even have to have the outside with different characters on it. You can just write character on one side of the index card, and on the inside you can write your own character. So you can do superhero, you can say cop, you can say lawyer, or whatever you want. Same with genre and same with setting. And without having to buy these, this is what I do before I started trying to get these cards made. I would have stacks of index cards with different types of characters and settings to help me go forward. Genre, of course, once you have your genre, you can always jump into subgenres, but for the most part, I just stick with the broad version of genre. And then same with character. When you look at characters, I do superhero, but I don't say what powers they have, because a setting can always push what kind of character or what kind of superhero it could be. So if you have a space setting, your superhero probably wants to be able to fly and breathe in space and stuff like that, instead of having a human superhero without powers. You know what I mean? So again, you could create these cards all on your own. You don't have to buy these from me once I have them ready. I just want to help you fight writer's block, because writer's block can jump in and stop you from writing at any time. So once again, guys, thank you for watching this video. I will be creating these cards to have them sold on Etsy or on Amazon whenever they are done being designed. But again, for yourself, you can always do it yourself, right? So you can get a regular card like this. You can just have it facing this way, and you can write character on it, and on the inside you can just say superhero or whatever else you want on there to help you. And then you can have a stack of them, right? You can just have a stack, genre, setting, and character, and just create them yourself without having to buy anything, because trust me, I understand how it is being an artist and spending your time and money on writing pencils and pens and note cards and stuff like that. So it could add up, and I just want to help you fight writer's block the way I usually do it. Once again, thank you for watching this video. I really hope this helped you figure out how to beat writer's block the way I do it by using the index cards. I feel like it is very, very, very strong way to help you fight it, especially if you don't want to use a writing prompt or anything like that. Which again, Wednesdays, guys, I will be having a writer's writing prompt every Wednesday. I'll have it posted on Instagram. I will have it posted on the community page of YouTube. I'll also have a little short with the prompt on there and a little story that I started for each of them on Wednesdays. So once again, if you guys don't forget to like and subscribe this video, you can always check out my playlist, my video here, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, guys.